let's rewind a little bit. Growing up in Odisha, what were your earliest influences that sparked your interest in fashion and lifestyle? We'll come to design later, but fashion and lifestyle at a fundamental level.
The first of all, rewinding and thinking about my journey and about fashion,
Yeah.
I actually got inspired by the way women drape their saris.
Mm-hmm.
There is one generally we all wear, like women wear,
Right.
and there's another Gaurabinda style.
Mm-hmm.
Then a bit grown up, you see there's a tribal style. So
Hmm.
there are a lot of people those who wear, like in our villages, they wear in a very sada,
Right,
very simple
right,
way.
right.
So the draping was very, very interesting for me. That one piece of cloth, and my mother wears differently, my jejama wears differently, my eye wears differently. So that was very interesting. That one fabric can do something. And then I was thinking, if the same sari goes wrong, in general household,
Right.
they make it kantha,
Right.
they make it like a dari.
Dari.
If nothing, ghar pochha. You understand? So the same sari can be cut into a frock or a dress or a kurta. So if it is a fabric which can take shape of anything and everything, then why not to actually explore fabric? So I remember we used to have this little tailor shop, and they used to throw all the katran, the tukras, outside in the evening around 8, 9 before closing the shop. So I used to literally pick the bigger pieces. And I used to have these dolls. You remember these plastic
Right,
dolls
right,
that
right.
and I used to pin them with my father's office pins,
Okay.
albins, and I used to make designs out of it. So somebody may say, "कि अरे कौन सी संगीत खेलूँ?" अरे या को से जो चुल्ली हो हंडी दियो.
Stereotypical social stigma.
That is
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
But your inspiration was, if at all, if it is done this way, then how would it look? If it is done that way, how would it look? If this fabric, what happens? So I was always into it. And besides that, I was into cooking.
So roughly what age would you be when this piqued your curiosity? This sari as a single element of fabric being dressed in so many different styles.
So I was what? 8 or 9 maybe?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So you just, like, I'll give an example. Kalpit, that when Mrs. Indira Gandhi
Right.
expired, so at that time TV was the most popular thing to
Mode
see
of
her.
yes, yeah.
The funeral and everything. So a lot of people were gathered and in a house, and we had this color TV. So they were like, the skylights were even packed because people wanted to watch it. At that time, I used to think that if this is once shown and gone, then you cannot see it. Somebody will miss it. So there should be something like my father's a lawyer. So you take his typewriter and put it in front of the TV and type it, and that will come as a picture.
Right.
So I never knew about a computer at that
Okay,
moment of
okay.
time.
Got it.
So these weird ideas, which somewhere somebody was working in this world, was there in my thought process too. You understand? So I used to say, at that time, Sholay was famous, this movie was famous, Amitabh Bachchan was famous.
Right.
So you just type it down on the typewriter, and the picture comes.
Right.
I used to think that way. And today we have everything.
It's already been executed.
Yes.
Yeah.
So in this world, whatever you're thinking, many have thought about it. Many are working on it. Many are executing it. And many would be thinking about it and working on it.
Right.
So you've done nothing new. So yes, my idea of fashion
Got
started
it.
from
Got
there.
it. The seed of fashion designing being incepted in your mind to anchoring to hosting full time. How did that journey shape up? I mean, were you always the mic's best friend, or this happened on the road?
No. In your childhood, if you are told that don't go to the darker areas,
You
then
go
you
to the
go
darker
also.
areas.
So you go to the darker
Right.
areas. So when people tell you that you can't do this, you are like this, you are like that, you are stereotyped this way. So out of curiosity or out of your own will and wish, you venture that area. Mike has been a good friend to me. Camera has been a good friend to me, although they make me look fatter all the time. And I am putting on weight. That's not an issue. But I've never been scared of a mic or a camera.
Okay.
So
You've
the hosting
never.
thing happened.
Let's talk about your school days. No stage fright at all.
No, but I didn't feel anything different.
Okay.
You are doing in front of your friends. You are doing in front of 1,000 people.
No, but a lot of people do have that.
Do have.
Yeah. That's
Some
what I'm
people have
saying.
fear,
Yeah,
some
yeah.
people, freeze there.
Right.
But yeah,
It
maybe
just came
it was in
naturally
me.
to you.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
So that way, and anchoring happened because of the food show happened. And I am I love cooking. I love to know the chemistry because I think that's one of the best stress management thing that you can work in your life. If at all you're very stressed, come and make a good broth of meal.
It's therapeutic.
It's very therapeutic.
Okay.
It's very. That's what I think. A lot of
Okay.
people say, "Oh, it's bizarre. Like you cannot handle it."
Right.
कौन खाना बनाता है यार मंगा लो because everything is available nowadays
Right,
online.
right.
But I'll rather cook and call friends
Rather than ordering
because
food.
first of all you're tired. You have your thought process about work, about life, about parents' health, about your health, about
Various
many
things, yeah,
things.
yeah, yeah.
So when you cook, you actually are testing yourself
Mm.
because of your concentration, one, and what should come after what, what are you using, what ingredients should be coming next. The third thing is how do you manage it? Because I cook very fast. So I chop and fry, I chop and fry, I cook at the same time, so I don't waste time.
Okay.
A lot of people will chop and keep it and then chula lagana, garam karna,
Correct.
tel dalna, chong dalna. My process is how fast can you manage it? So from there, I try to manage multitasking.
I was going to say that. Okay.
So when you do multitasking, slowly what happens, you become a master and that becomes your habit.
Okay.
So when I was anchoring even, I was cooking at my place.
Right.
Besides eating outside in different places that we used to go.
Right.
At that time, I used to drape and do things which worked, which never worked. In Bombay, I used to do a lot of things. Like I've done casting, I have done into film production and financing.
Yeah.
I've done a lot of things. I went there for multimedia, and so what has to happen with you will happen, and you should be. I think they have a say that jack of all trades, master of none, but you can be master of all. Nowadays, you have everything in front of you. All the options are with you, or you have information. You Google it, you get it.
Right.
So when before people didn't have that opportunity or they didn't have that option, so everything was limited. Nowadays, I think you can be jack of all trade and master of all.
Okay. Let's
So I could do whatever I could do.
talk about your fashion designing. You mix culture and couture very effectively. How do you manage to do that? I mean, it's a very, very. I feel it's a very unique mix, couture and culture. What traditional Odia elements are your go-tos when you do that?
See, I belong to Ganjam district.
Yes.
Barampur,
Barampur,
I have been raised, and we have a silk called Barampuri pattern, which is a very geometrically woven, pattern, which is beautiful, colorful.
Yes.
And I have seen that, and a lot of people may not be owning a Barampuri pattern because it's expensive,
Yes.
and very few weavers are left. Now people are trying to revive it. Similarly, I used to love the Bandha work of Samalpur, the Bomkai, the Sonpuri. We have such beautiful things, and but I remember. Then even when people used to get married in 80s,
Right.
that I remember of, they used to buy a Banarasi.
Okay.
So when you wear a Banarasi as a bahu, that means
You're setting a benchmark.
you are like,
Yeah.
I'm wearing Banarasi.
Yeah.
ମୁଁ ସମ୍ବଲପୁରୀ ପିନ୍ଧି ବହୁତ କମ ଜଣ ଶୁଣିଛି
Correct. Correct.
Kanya Suluga, the yellow and red sari that people, the girls used to
Yeah,
wear,
yeah.
can be, if you're rich, you can wear a Bomkai red and yellow combination or a Sambalpuri yellow and red combination. But when it is a reception or, a good thing, it's Banarasi. It's Kanjivaram. So we were known, our weaves were known, but we were not at that category. Today we have
In
tissue.
terms of craftsmanship or exposure?
It's exposure for sure.
Okay. Okay.
That is one. Second thing, it was very limited to people. Like somebody having a good Sambalpuri means you are rich. You understand? And it was expensive. Like I remember in some wedding, the bride has come and there were these nanads and these sister-in-laws,
Right.
the PCs, those who can be very typical PC.
Yes.
So they were asking the bride, how many Bomkais have you got? From there, they would
Judge
calculate
status of the family.
What she has got with
Okay.
her.
Uh-huh.
So looking at these patterns and things, and I thought, why should it be only a kurta in Sambalpuri? Why should it be only a sari in Bomkai and Sambalpuri and Barampuri? Any fabric can be turned into anything.
Right.
So why not to make it?
Mhm.
So I did my bit of it. I have worked on Gamcha and created stuff 20 years ago. People are still working now and becoming famous
Right.
because they're using Instagram and social network and all. But I've done that 20, 22 years ago. So I have done whatever I've done. So my journey of fashion in that, I wanted Western international stuff in Bomkai, in Sambalpuri, in Barampuri, in Gamucha, in Kotpad, in Dongaria, which are my state's pride.
Okay.
Now the governments, since couple of years, have become very proactive about
Promoting.
weavers,
Yeah.
the promotion of vocal for local, blah blah blah. But somewhere somebody has started it,
Right.
right, and didn't get the exposure. Then comes my generation, which got lesser exposure, but some exposure. Now everyone has got exposure. Every second person is designing because you see a design on Pinterest and you ask your tailor to do it, and you
Yeah.
call yourself a designer,
As simple as that. Yeah.
and you get the fabrics. Now fabrics are expensive, so the output of the fabric, the outfit or the dress,
Right.
will be expensive more.
Correct.
But if at all it is lesser expensive, if it is affordable to everyone, then imagine how many people will be wearing handloom.
The access manifold.
Would be more.
Yeah. It's many.
We have
multiplied.
few shops here, government owned and private owned, and people still go, those who travel here, the tourists, those who come here. If there are more places, if the weaving cost is lesser, if it is accessible, if it is affordable, everyone would love to have something which is homegrown.
Take us back to your early days in Bombay and tell me about the stereotypes that an Odia guy had to face in showbiz.
The first thing is, Odisha. Bengal ke end mein hai na?
With
Odisha. Oh, yeah. Cyclone, and people die there
cyclone,
without food.
even during that
I
time?
went in 96.
Okay.
Okay. So the cyclonic thing was always there in the history.
Okay.
The Bengal famine, everybody's forgotten.
Yes, the Bengal
But Odisha is poor, everybody remembers.
Okay.
Although Odisha was always rich. In a general household, the amount of food we eat on a general day, half of the country's state people won't be eating that many dishes. Like if at all we take a staple food, pokkhala. With that we have a bhajja, we have a this, we have a that.
Right.
Chingudi tikke checha hegala, tikke kon hegala. Slurpee. So we have a plethora. We have a
Yeah, myriad of
Platter.
dishes. Yeah.
so when
The bento box has to be filled with every dish.
So-
None of the boxes should be empty.
Nothing.
Right? Okay.
this is a general tradition. So going back to Bombay, people say, kahin to hoga. The poor state. Oh, people don't get food. Oh, people die. People this. Nobody was there to talk about how rich is our culture, how rich is our tradition, how many dishes people have improvised and been calling their own dishes in other states. Where the best cooks were born and gone to other states and been cherished.
So yeah, recognized and cherished. Yeah.
Textile, our culture, our temples. There used to be only one flight, Indian Airlines IC-169, I remember because I used to fly with that.
Okay.
That used to come via Raipur. Raipur was a new state.
Okay.
And then the flight going back was direct. So you would see that people are only wanting to go to the temples and Puri and Konark.
Right.
They never knew anything else happening in Orissa. They never knew anything is beyond that. So a lot of things has happened, but I was very flamboyant. I didn't care who says what, but I used to give back.
That's what I was saying. Did you fight it or just embrace it?
You don't have to fight.
Okay.
If there is somebody foolish, you have to ignore. If somebody is ignorant about things,
You
have
got to make
teach.
them aware. Yeah.
You have to teach, you have to tell them, you have to give them knowledge.
Agreed.
If somebody wants to know, if somebody wants to pull you down all the time and say that, ye to garib hai.
So you got to give it back to them, right?
No. You will just leave them because their arrogance will never end. they will never change. Prakriti never muchyate. Only knowledge can change the outlook.
Yeah.
So somebody who's a Kuppa Manduka, who's a frog in the well, who's never gone out of that city, of from the village that has come to Bombay, for him Bombay is the biggest.
Yeah.
Why would he like to know about Odisha? Why waste your energy by
Energy,
telling
yeah,
them
yeah, yeah.
कि मेरा ऐसा है, मेरा वैसा है?
Just
बात का
keep it.
पतंगड़ बनेगा. उससे बेहतर है जिसे पता ही नहीं है, जानना नहीं है, उसे छोड़ दो. जिसे जानना है कि यार उड़ीसा में क्या क्या है, उन्हें बताओ elaborately. Because if they get knowledge, they will spread it. My thing was very clear. कोई झगड़ा करके फायदा नहीं है. They only used to know that there's something called Jagannath Puri.
That's
So-
the biggest cultural landmark, I mean,
Yeah,
to be
but,
honest.
but
Yeah.
look at
the
the
other
difference.
things as well. Yes.
It's Lord Jagannath
Yeah.
who's in Puri.
Mhm.
But for people, it's Jagannath Puri.
Yes, Jagannath Puri.
You understand? So you get down at Bhubaneswar, they take a 2 hours car
Car
ride, because
journey,
at that
yeah,
time
yeah,
it was
yeah,
2
yeah.
hours, 2.5 hours
Yeah,
to
yeah.
reach Puri.
Yeah.
So they used to know Rath Yatra.
Correct.
And bhog acha milta hai. So whoever had come to Puri once or twice,
Right.
they used to know about it. So my thing was, why are you here? My thing was, why was I am in Bombay? Let me figure that out. But I was too young to figure that out. I was not serious about, career, making money, this and that. Jo aaya wo karo. Because first of all, survival. Second thing, growth. Third thing, networking and knowing people. Fourth thing is then you do things. Because until unless you survive, you will not have the ingredient or the energy to do something better. So it was a fantastic journey from 96 to a long time. And then I came here in 2012 for a brief period of time. And I had a breakup, so I was all devastated. I left everything. And I was still in depression. I didn't want to eat, didn't want to eat. I smoked, so I was smoking, not eating. क्या हो गया जिंदगी के साथ? Third day, I see the green thing is prominent. And I went back and checked the packet. So if it was 2012, 14, 15, 14, the packet was packed in 2012. ठीक है? When I
Okay.
came back. 2012, a dry seed can grow back with the help of sunshine, soil and water. I'm human being alive, breathing. I can't get back to life.
That dawned upon you.
That actually
Moment
did.
of epiphany.
It's like, what am I doing? And for what? That something is gone is gone.
So you pulled your shit together from that.
Yeah, you have to.
Big Boss happened in 2017. Do you remember that call from Endemol?
Of course. It was like open for commoners.
Commoners, yeah.
So at that time, and I had been a big fan of Big Boss. So I'd
Okay.
been watching all the seasons possible till season 10. And then there was this application where you have to put a 3 minutes video of yours with introduction, with what you like, what
Right.
you are, who you are, about your character. 3 minutes is a very less time to actually elaborate if you're full of drama. So very interesting, Kalpit, it was. And my friend from Bombay said, "Arey, it's open for everyone. You can,
Yeah.
apply for it." I said, "Yeah, let's see." So at that time, I just finished that food show.
Yeah.
So I knew the camera person and everything, and I thought I will make a nice 3 minutes video and I will upload it.
Okay.
So when I called, it was like the days were gone, the closing date was coming closer. So when I called the camera person, he said he is in Sundarbans or somewhere shooting. And he can't come. I said, please come because I have to shoot this and upload. And there are only 2 days left or 3 days left or something like that. He said, Arey, I'm coming that day only in the morning at 5 o'clock. So this guy comes the last day. I wrote down on the note, like on the phone note, what all I have to speak. Then I had this idea that I will come as a woman and take out makeup and jewelry and everything.
Oh.
And saying that what you show to the world, you are not. You're
I
something
see.
else. And that's the gist of the
Entire
The-
shot.
the reality show.
Yeah.
that जो
मुख-
हो वो
मुखौटा-
दिखता नहीं है
हाँ,
वो
मुखौटा
दिखता
पहन-
है वही हो So I did that, and it was a long 7 minutes thing. Even if you edit, the best part would be edited. And it was around 2 o'clock or something. So I asked this camera person friend of mine that, can we edit it? Nah, we'll do it on a laptop. I said, I have nothing to edit in my laptop. So he went back again to get a software to, so it was like 3. Then to make it 3 minutes, I could not actually think to delete anything because everything was a fact and it was fun. Anyhow, a 3 minutes thing was done. And while I was uploading, there was no Wi-Fi at my place. So it was a JioPhone's connection that would be connected to the laptop. Or else you actually transfer the 3 minutes video
Right.
to your phone and
Phone,
upload from
upload
the
it.
application.
Yeah.
You won't believe this was happening at 5 o'clock or something. Okay. And 5:30 is like closing, or 5 o'clock is closing. So I had the screenshot is gone because the phones are changed and everything. I uploaded it for 58.
Okay.
58. And uploaded, and Jio was so slow that day. But it's destiny. So mine must be the last
Entry.
Must be the last entry. So, and done. And then even it was like showing that it's going to take time. So
The buffer.
yeah, the
something, yeah.
buffering thing was going on. And submitted. And 5, trust me, Kalpit, entry is closed. I said, chalo, ek koshish to kiya, de to diya. Then the 7 minutes video, I put it on YouTube. Okay. And I kept it open. Then after 15-20 days, I get a call that out of all the auditions, yours been shortlisted for a round 1 for all the zones. Like there's
Okay.
4 zones.
4 zones, yeah.
So, and I said, how many in 4 zones? No, there are lakhs and lakhs. The total in my time was 4.85 crores people who had given the audition.
Okay.
And I was given. So they asked me, will you go to Calcutta? And if at all the next time, will it be Calcutta or else where do you want to do it? Or Bombay? We have 2 options. I said, not Calcutta. Bombay is my, I have lived there. This happened. I said, we will let you know. 15 days gone. There's no letting me know.
Okay, yeah.
I said, okay, I tried.
Yeah.
Then after a month, I get a call that out of all these, 10 lakhs are selected. Okay, from each zone. So you are in that 40 lakhs.
Okay, they filtered it down to 40 lakhs then.
Then comes Bombay, where it is lakh or something like that.
Right.
Then comes group discussion. Then comes lot of stuff.
There's a group discussion for Big Boss?
Yes.
Okay.
So for the commoners, there was group discussions. So I didn't have to be aggressive because I was giving logic while the group discussion was done. I didn't let anybody speak. The topic I remember was, do women take liberty?
Oh, that's
of
right up
being-
to your alley. I mean, totally.
Yeah. And climbing the corporate ladder or life or something. I said they do.
Breaking the glass ceiling of sorts.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah. So that way. So they do. And then out of those 10 people, you have to say whose introduction was good and whose was bad. Who deserves to be in the next round, who doesn't deserve. So there was this transgender lady who was the first, I think, MLA of UP's constituency.
Okay.
Being transgender, the first transgender to be.
Okay.
So she was there in that group. So when they asked me who's supposed to be and who's not supposed to be, I said, this one is supposed to be, because been there, done that, and you're representing a community which needs to be visible more.
Correct.
And who's not supposed to be? I says, she again. Why? You have done it all, you're old now.
Yeah.
Let the other
Other
generation
people,
come
yeah.
up. So I know some faces which are famous now. They were there in the auditions too.
Really? Okay.
They're famous now. And so that happened. Then I was given a sheet of paper with 50 questions. And all the 50 questions were repeated, like in different way of asking a question. So if you're lying, you would be writing something else in the answer. So I did that, and I was given a space to draw something about Big Boss.
Just
So-
a sketch?
Just like draw something.
okay.
So space. So I drew the eye
Uh-huh.
of Big Boss, season 11, contestant number 1, Sabyasachi Satpathy. And trust me, I've been manifesting about things that it should happen. So there are 3 words to chant. I was doing that, and trust me, I went in because of that. Oof, you won't believe. There's a long story though.
Yeah, I mean,
They will not let you know that you're selected or not. So rounds and rounds. Then there was a psychological round. So again, come back to Bhubaneswar, go back to Bombay.
okay.
Again, there were people, those will be looking at you and they will be judging you. And again. And then Suddenly I get a call that the team is coming to shoot.
Mm-hmm.
I said, for what?
Hmm.
No, you have been shortlisted. I said, no, how many? No, we can't tell you that.
Okay.
If they're coming to shoot, it's a general perception
Hmm.
that your
You are-
audiovisual will be shown because you're entering the house.
Right.
So they came, they shot at Vindu Sagar, I did a mujra and drama. And so all the stuff I know, but they didn't show that.
Huh.
They didn't show that. They showed because they changed my character there. They made me Padosi.
Oh yes, you were in the Padosi.
If I would have been in the house
origin,
first,
yeah,
then they
yeah.
would have shown this
Okay,
as
okay,
introduction.
okay. But they shot it as well.
They shot it
Okay,
here.
they didn't telecast it.
They didn't telecast
Okay.
it. So did that and all stuff. So I took these people for dinner out and all. The next morning they had a flight. And yeah, so they left the next morning and I like, chalo, आके कोई है मतलब कुछ तो
खत्म
होगा.
हुआ, हाँ.
And I'm waiting कि कुछ तो call आएगा, कुछ तो होगा. I didn't even realize I get a mail with tickets.
Oh,
That I have my flight next morning,
Okay.
8 o'clock.
Hmm.
Okay. So there was a checklist.
Hmm.
This is to be done, that is to be done. You can't wear something like this.
Right, right.
You can't wear blingy, you can't wear this. So pack your bags for 3 months.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
I was like,
That's
am I
interesting.
selected? Am I like, you still have this thing.
Yeah.
And you can't tell anybody. There's a clause that nobody should know in media or anything. I rushed to my parents. I told them that I'm going to Bombay. There's something important.
So
You
they
will
were
come
the
to
only ones who knew this. Your
I'm
parents?
the only one.
No.
No, they didn't even know that what am I going to Bombay for.
They just knew you're going to Bombay for
I'm
3
going.
months. Okay.
And I pulled my one big suitcase from my bhavi's wardrobe. Another big was there. So whatever the ironed and laundried clothes were there, I put everything. And I said, I have to go. I go there. They give you a manager and a shadow. They pick you up in a luxury car. Everything. Then you go for your psychological and test, psychiatric test, your ability test, your physical test, your this and that. And then even I'm asking those manager and the shadow that
Am
am
I
I
selected?
selected? We can't say anything. We don't know. इतना तो कर रहे हो तो कुछ तो होगा. इसके लिए भी तो खर्चा होता है.
बिल्कुल.
So then this happened. Then we had a lovely lunch. Now what? Lonavala. So we went for Lonavala. After Navi Mumbai, they took my phone. This is if you want to call somebody. Call and speak and your phones will be switched off. I said, okay. Spoke to mom. Then I told them, if at all I put it on and speak to you, then what am I speaking? Depending on that, you have to decide because I cannot speak much. So that happened and we went to Lonavala. They took me to a resort.
Right.
They put me in a room where there's no TV, there's no telephone, there is no communication, there is nothing for 7 days. Because they have to test
Whether you can survive.
are
or
you
not.
surviving
Okay.
that or not.
Okay.
So they used to get my cigarettes, they used to get my food. And they used to give me whatever food I wanted, they used to give me the ulta.
As in?
So I wanted dahi chawal. So they will give me dal rice, roti dal,
Okay.
and a sabzi.
Uh-huh.
You must be feeling like craving like having something because they're closed.
Huh.
I'll ask for biryani.
So you asked the opposite in that case, if you
That's
figured
what I
that
did.
out. Yeah.
The second day I started saying that.
Yeah.
So they knew he will be
Okay.
playing this game.
Uh-huh.
So then again they did that. And I saw, okay, how close am I getting
Yeah,
to
yeah,
it?
yeah.
Then suddenly the bags come, then this and come. Then even I'm asking. Then the contract came, the lawyers came. Then I asked, am I selected? No, it's just a formality. You have to sign. You may get it, you may not get it. Then okay. The day the show was supposed to start, I think it was Dashera. It was Durga Puja. Makeup, people, there was like a lot of tangcham because nobody should know, the media should not know that you are here. Because they will reveal
Yeah,
the face
yeah,
first.
yeah.
At that time it was too strict. All done, makeup done, my new suitcases have come, I shifted all the clothes there.
Right.
Blah, blah, blah.
Right.
And then they put the mask, they put a thing, the black fabric, the masking, again a mask. So nothing of yours is visible except for you seeing some dark
The blurred
thing.
images. Yeah.
Blurred dark
Yeah, yeah,
images
yeah,
and
yeah,
nothing.
Yeah.
Then I was put into a van.
Okay.
Then again frisking was done of my suitcases and stuff that if I'm taking any drugs,
Yeah.
phone or anything, so everything done. And then I see that I could hear somebody howling and crying in the evening when it was getting darker. And I was shocked that somebody coming here and not getting into the house. Somebody was thrown out.
Okay, okay, all right.
The last moment.
Right.
Please, 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 all this stuff was
Ah.
happening. And they might have said that you're not. Yeah.
Hmm.
I like, chalo. ये आएंगे 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 मेरे पास बोलेंगे you're not.
Hmm.
But नहीं, there's God. यहाँ तक लाए तो कुछ तो वजह होगा.
Hmm.
How God plays with you. Then everybody is asked, your manager, ये वो, all tam jam happened. They all came and now is the time to leave.
Reveal, yeah. Oh, leave.
Leave.
Okay. Ah.
Either to the, because I didn't know the set, nothing. Where is Salman sir? Where is the set? Where is the house? Nothing. So we were all given black cars or something, no numbers in black cars. So I could only see that people are getting in the car with the same masks and different attires and all. You don't know who's it. One by one getting in the car and mine was the last. So I said, yaar, sab ja rahe, sab gaadi chalne lagi. And suddenly you see everybody's going left. Okay, everyone went left. Mine went right.
Right.
I said, gone. Like, you can't even say it. Chalo, now they will take me to the resort and say, yeah, chalo, bye. Return ticket bhi nahi denge. And all the stuff. So I said, okay, chalo, jo bhi hoga. I said, hum kahan ja rahe hain? Shh. They were like, quieter. And then the car stops. And again, like, they're taking somebody who's like a huge thing, like, either a terrorist or a, somebody guarding you.
Very big shot, yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
God.
Yeah.
And I got in a dark tunnel and this never-ending tunnel. And then I reach and they open my eyes and everything. I'm sitting in a couch in a half-made room. And
That's the green room.
no, there's a couch.
Okay.
There's a huge couch. I'm sitting. There's a TV.
Ah.
Okay. My eyes are open and I'm sitting and doing what? Now we can't say anything. There's nobody to ask. So the people those who dropped it, they didn't say anything. At that time, my eyes were not open. So it was closed. Then in 2 minutes, I feel somebody else is sitting and that shh is happening. Then again, there's 4 people. Then we were asked to open the
fold.
blindfold.
Yeah, blindfold.
And the mask. So they opened it up. And you suddenly see Salman sir.
Okay.
So you don't have the guts to ask what is happening. You're not in your senses.
You're already very,
I was already in
overwhelmed
the
by all.
Padosi house.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
they've
you're in
chosen me for the Padosi house.
Yeah.
So they put me first in the Padosi house. This house was not done up as much as like you saw in the thing. And then the introduction happened, spotlights were on us and the things happened.
Yeah.
Then we went to the other room for dinner or something. By the time this room was made,
All right.
so we entered the Padosi house and we lived there and all the stuff. Then the journey started.
Ah.
So it's been like, I think everybody should go through something like this, where you do not know. And I think that is life. Your uncertainty, your curiosity is going to kill you, but there is hope that something good going to happen.
Did you make any good friends at all?
I'm still in touch with everyone, but
Like who are you friends with?
Sapna Chaudhary, Mehzabi, Shibani is there, Priyank is there. Vikas Gupta I used to
Vikas
know
Gupta.
before even, like,
Okay.
when he had come to Bombay for struggling. So everybody was nice. They had their own stories and characters. जो कि असलियत में निकलता है. Like we have seen Hina Khan being the best bahu. We have seen Shilpa Shinde as, the Chulbuli
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
But they had their own stories and journeys that revealed, that came out. And that happens when you live together. And then मैं ये नहीं खाता, मैं ये नहीं खाती, मैं ऐसे नहीं सोता, मैं वैसे नहीं सोती.
You bonded quite well with both of them, Hina Khan and
Yes, I was,
Shilpa Shinde.
I
Both
was
great.
not bad. Like even till date, people are in touch from the sets or those who had been in at the sets of Big Boss
Right.
season 11.
Right.
They're still friends with me. And everybody has seen when I left, everyone was crying.
Ah.
Somewhere, I bonded with everybody without anything expecting back from them. I was cooking, I was feeding, I was having fun. I knew.
You broke down a few times as well.
See, a lot of people were doing this crying drama and missing home drama in front of camera. You could have done that in the bathroom.
Right.
So you don't have to. और ऐसा एक घर है कि जहाँ पे तुम्हारा पूरा कैरेक्टर दिखता है कि तुम क्या हो. Nobody
How
has
long
to.
can you veil it for? I mean, whether people who were good at veiling their actual character.
There are.
Uh-huh. Okay.
And nowadays तो people prepare and go कि हमें झगड़ा करना है,
Yeah,
गुस्सा
yeah,
करना
yeah,
है,
yeah, yeah.
हमें छुपाना है. So all these things people do. I think in life what I have learned at this juncture that from the beginning I had been honest with myself. You be you. Nobody else is like you. So
Right. So, what's that one thing about the Big Boss house that people would never realize until they actually live inside it?
a lot of people say that it's scripted. Okay. A lot of people, those who are very upset with Salman sir or Big Boss or the makers, have come out and said it's scripted.
Yeah.
Whereas it is not at all scripted. It is the most edited show. And
Okay.
you're given task in such a way that you would erupt with the fight. Like we are there in the house together. We're the best of the friends, and we are bonded like anything. But and we both like chicken. Okay, so in our time, chicken was luxury. So you have to finish a task and win. Then only your team will get chicken. So now, if at all we both love chicken and we're best of the friends, we will be put in two different teams. So we will fight. ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे मिलेगा तो तुझे खिलाऊंगा. ये टीम अगर उससे खिलाता है तो दंडनीय है.
So it's designed in such a way that people will
It
fight,
is-
even their best of
there are
friends.
creative
Yeah, yeah, there are
people
creative
there.
people, yeah.
Sometimes it doesn't work, and sometimes it works fantastically. Sometimes a real affair happens between people, and when that happens, a lot of people want to see. It's a very common psychology, Kalpit. When an accident happens,
Yeah.
people shoot it.
Yeah.
They don't rush and help that person.
Correct, correct.
Have you ever seen they pick the person and take to the hospital immediately? Very few people.
the
will do it.
numbers would be
But
few in
people
comparison
will
to-
actually record it कि अरे ये हुआ
Yeah.
झगड़ा हो रहा है.
Yeah.
People will record it. देखा मजा. आया.
Yes, yes.
And यहाँ पे, here you have known faces, famous faces, that those who are in your bedroom, because your TV is in your bedroom and you are watching all the soaps. And these faces are the famous soap, actors and actresses. Knowing their reality, you know the character, the kirdar. You don't know them. So when you see them and how do they talk, how do they behave, what do they wear, what do they do, how do they do it? Now, there are 165 cameras. Even if you just do this, even if you do this,
Catches this, yeah.
look, kuni bharla.
Right.
Everything is caught in the camera.
Yeah.
So what happens is people love to watch it. And then I love Saas Bhi Bahuti and I love something else. And these two protagonists are there and they are fighting.
Anja.
So it is an ego thing that अरे देख दोनों leads ना लड़ रहे हैं. And India, I think a huge percentage of people watch these TV soaps, serials. You understand? Netflix has taken over
Yeah,
that, but
yeah,
still,
yeah, yeah.
in cowbelt in villages, people watch it. Now, imagine Hina Khan fighting with Shilpa Shinde. सही पकड़े हैं कहने वाली लड़ रही है with the best बहू.
Right.
People love it.
Yeah.
In that, if you do drama, you would be caught. Because you will be manipulating and thinking, and it is visible on your face that you're thinking कि मैं इसमें कैसे घुसूं.
बिल्कुल.
मैं घुसूंगा तो दिखूंगा. My sister, when she came back, when I came back, she was saying, "You are not even entering in anybody's fight.
Fight, yeah.
How would you be visible?"
Yes, yes,
I
yes.
said, I didn't want to. मैं खाना बना रहा था ना, उसके बाद तो खाना ही चाहिए ना. बिग बॉस तो नहीं देंगे. So I would be.
Right, right, right.
So when you talk, what people talk about it, only who has lived in that house they have a say.
Truly understand it, yeah.
They have a say, nobody
Okay.
else.
We'll do a rapid fire with Mr. Sabyasachi Satpathy. Let's see how quirky he is, okay? Rapid fire one. Worst fashion trend you secretly love but would never admit in public.
Secretly Love is Urfi's second half of fashion statement. Initial state of fashion affairs in her career was very bad.
Atrocious, okay.
Was very bad.
It was very
So,
bad.
Yeah.
Alright. If you had to swap lives with another designer for a month, who would it be and why?
We have the same name, Sabyasachi Mukherjee. I would love to because he is like beautiful in and out as a human being and as a designer. And it's not that because he's make a big name. He is a good designer who understands India, who knows how to put India into different, place in the world map. So yeah.
Okay. Most embarrassing moment in the Big Boss house that still makes you cringe.
Nothing like that, but yeah, embarrassing was I got a shock of my life when so all the mirrors that you see are basically mirrors to us, but there are glasses to the cameras.
Okay.
So I was going and doing something with my hair and all this stuff, and I actually see Salman sir, who was looking into the house. So I didn't even know that he's there behind. So I
Okay.
just went and put my hand, dekh raha hu, kya laga hai, kya nahi. And it's eye to eye.
Uh-huh.
So the first thing I shouted is Bolo.
Okay.
So when you're in shock and like, and I'm laughing at myself, that is Salman Khan, and is it like a poster or something?
What was he doing there?
So he was there before the shoot, and it was a weekend.
Okay.
So I didn't know that his house is just next door.
Okay.
So it is like the same house
Uh-huh.
extended or
Uh-huh.
something like that.
Uh-huh.
So he was checking the bedroom and everything,
Ah.
how people are living or something.
okay.
And you generally don't tend because it's a mirror.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
When I went closer, I could see his face.
Huh.
So for him, even must be a bowler moment because he
Yes.
kya paas aa raha itna. So it was very embarrassing.
All right. If your design aesthetic was a movie character, who would it be and why?
Oh, Madhubala.
Okay.
Yes, yes. A movie character, Mughal Azam, Madhubala, like,
Okay.
that it has to be beauty from tip to toe. Like nowadays, I cannot say it's beauty, but beauty again lies in the eyes of the beholder.
Yeah.
I do a lot of, natural fiber things where people think that bling is beautiful, but I think subtle things are beautiful. So
Okay. The last one. Reality TV or the fashion industry, which is more fake people and manufactured drama? And let's not say both are equal. Since you've worked with both.
Oh God, reality. Fashion is all about makeup and putting up a face.
But there's a lot of
reality
blood there
TV,
as well.
which opens up, it shows you.
Okay.
It shows who's because people are watching you. In fashion, even if people are watching you, they do not know because you're behind makeup and too much of glamour.
Talking about the fashion industry scenario in Odisha, why hasn't Odisha seen another Bibhu Mahapatra or Sabyasachi Satpathy for that matter? What are the bottlenecks?
The, government.
That's bold.
If your parents do not recognize your ability and your skills, who would? Our generation have seen that parents wanted the son to be a doctor or an engineer or an MBA.
Okay.
Similarly, if they see that there's some potential of you, like my brother is a cricketer.
Yeah.
So if my parents could push him more, could have done more for him, he could have become a national player maybe.
Right.
So understanding your child's potential and skills and you push them into that career is today's generation's thing. I wish our state could recognize and see the potential of the Odia men and women, kids and people of my age or whatever age, and really do the job of pushing them ahead. Don't just talk about taking textile and handloom to a different level. Don't talk about local for vocal for local. Don't just talk with hashtags.
Right.
People will give you votes in hashtags. I have never got anything, not even a single recognition from the government of Odisha. So I made my way. Other 10 states are inviting me for their Khadi Mahotsav, their Handloom Mahotsav. They are awarding me for my little work that I have done with Odisha Handloom, but never ever have my state done anything for me. But still, till I die, I'm Odia.
Yeah.
Till I die, I would be doing work
Quality
with Odisha
work, yes.
Handloom
Yeah.
because that's my passion and love. So what happens is here you figure out that you're supposed to be an outsider. Boy matruka bhabota tame janithiba, it's a stepmother's thing.
Okay.
So if the government becomes a stepmother, who do you go to? And if you change a country and you work there, then you're working for that country. Then what have you done for your motherland or your state?
Okay.
So I have a very different say here. Bande utkala janani kahidele habani. Bande utkala janani ra santana pai jomane e rajyara bharata ko sambhalchan semane kon karuchanti. What are they doing? Oh, they have millions of things to do for the state. And out of that million, even I'm one.
Yeah.
Textile is one,
Yeah.
handloom is one,
Yeah.
progress is one, road is one, everything is one thing, right?
Our weavers, they form a big part of the stakeholder
So
community, yeah.
when everything is so important
Right.
and you are only giving importance to few things, and if that runs the government, then thank you. Why do people go out of the state to work? Because they get opportunity, they get good payments. Now, why are you calling in IT hubs here?
Yeah.
Because you will be creating opportunity, you will
Correct.
be creating jobs.
Jobs, yeah.
Other state people will be coming here. Why did you have to fight Rasagalla Kahara? You lost your identity somewhere. That's why you had to fight because of Rasagalla. And you won it and you're very happy. Why are you happy? More identity, more ମୁଁ ତାପରେ ଲଢ଼ିବି ସେ ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିଟିଟା ଯଦି ମୋତେ ମୋର ଯେମିତି ଏଇଟାକୁ କୁହନ୍ତି ଲଜ୍ଜାକୁ ନିଜର ରକ୍ଷା କରିବା ଯଦି ମୋ ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିଟିଟାକୁ ମୋ ରାଜ୍ୟ ଯଦି ପ୍ରୋତ୍ସାହିତ ନ କଲା ଯଦି ପୁsh ନ କଲା କରିବ କିଏ? So if there are lesser people coming out, may it be an athlete,
Yeah.
maybe a sports person,
Or a fashion designer.
how many
for that
cricketers have you seen before Devashish Mohanty?
matter. No, I think I just remember Devashish Mohanty.
How many cricketers from Odisha have you seen before Devashish Mohanty?
None at all.
Cricketer was not there in
No,
Odisha
no,
before
no,
that.
No, they were, but yes, they.
What did the then government do? So similarly, fashion, similarly, film. Nowadays, films are being done well in lesser budgets.
Yeah.
Beautiful cinema is coming up. What is the government doing? So that's not an industry.
Right. I mean, they're making it tax free for that matter, but that doesn't go
How
far
does
enough.
tax free? Listen,
Yeah.
making tax free
That-
doesn't
yeah,
help.
that's what I'm saying. That
Rather, give them the what do you subsidies. Give them the facilities.
Right.
Give them a good studio. Give them infrastructure. The jungles that you're cutting, make that into a reservoir where people can go and shoot in greens.
Right.
If South filmmakers are coming and shooting in Koraput and
Right. Right.
that means there is greens here.
Of course.
Why are we not developing a film city there? I'm so sorry. Just making roads and bridges, which may fall after a couple of years, doesn't actually create bridges between people. You have to have bridge by understanding its sector.
I mean, fair point. Yeah.
Secondly,
Yeah.
if means I'm talking to you very bluntly, and this is my voice, and this is me.
Yeah.
If there is a secretary of X department, you go and talk. There's a file put up, and there's issues happening, and there's the government shops are not doing well. This is not happening. That is not happening. The moment your file actually goes up, or the issue goes up, that secretary is shifted to another department.
Correct.
Then another secretary will come who would try to understand and will get the feedback from the people, those who have got etiki buddhi, will not push the handloom and the
Textile industry.
the sector ahead. So till he understands it, there's another shift. Who is going to work? Who's going to? On your podcast, I'm telling you, I have tried to get the dead stock of a huge government store in auction or by paperwork or by buying so that I can use those dead stock and make garments and sell. Handloom, right?
Handloom.
The basic answer was a lot of paperwork and we don't sell dead stock. I'm giving an idea. Those dead stock of fabric, we are buying stuff from Korea and China and putting in our government quarters and offices. Why our handloom dead stock is not being utilized as upholstery or drapes or curtains or bed sheets? One
And-
department's money which will be recovered can be paid by another department.
department.
Why is that not happening? Forget about Bibu. Bibu is a big shot. He's a big shot.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
somewhere else. Ask him to come and do a project here. Can you afford him? Why make these dramas of making Odisha, making this, making that, when you actually do not understand who is made from Odisha? Who is made in Odisha? Who is made by himself in Odisha? ଏତିକି ଟିକେ ଯଦି କିଏ ପ୍ରୋତ୍ସାହନ ଦବ କଳ୍ପିତ
Yeah.
ଗୋଟେ ମଣିଷ ବହୁତ ଦୂର ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଯାଇପାରିବ ଏଠି ପ୍ରୋତ୍ସାହନ ଛାଡ଼ ତମକୁ ଆଡ଼ା ନଜର ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ବି ଲୋକ ନାହାନ୍ତି and this is honesty and ଯଦି ଏ କଥାରୁ ଲୋକ ବୁଝିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ତମେ କୋଉଠି କହିବା ଦରକାର ବି ନାହିଁ
I'm sure. What do you?
and I would
Yeah.
request the government
Yeah.
I'll request the government ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା ନାହିଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ସ୍କୁଲରେ ସେଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ୍ ଅଛି ସତ କହିବାକୁ କିଆଁ ଡରିବି ସତ କହି ପଛେ ମଲେ ମରିବି ସେଇଟା ବାହାର କରିଦିଅ କାରଣ ଏଠି ଲୋକ ସତ କହିବେନି ସତ କହିଲେ କାମ ହେବନି ଯଦି କାମ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ତାହେଲେ ଲୋକ ସତ କହିଥାନ୍ତେ ସତ କହିଥିଲେ ରାଜ୍ୟଟା ଭଲ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ମୁଁ ସତ କହୁଛି ମୋତେ କାହିଁ 6 ମାସ ପରେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଡାକିବ ତ ମୋର ଲାଇଫରେ କ'ଣ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି ଏ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଦ୍ୱାରା ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ପଚାରିବି
And
ମୋ
I'm sure
ମା ଯଦି ମୋ ଭାଇକୁ ବେଶୀ ଭଲ ପାଇବ ମୋତେ ପଚାରିବନି, ତାମାନେ ମୋ ଭିତରେ ଖୁଣ ନାହିଁ, ମୋ ମା ତାକୁ ଟିକେ ଅଧିକ ଭଲ ପାଉଛି, ବଟ୍ ତ ଭାଇ ବି କମ୍ପିଟିସନ୍ ନାହିଁ। You understand?
Yeah.
So,
this is this is just the tip of the iceberg. I'm sure there's a lot of other issues
tell
that
me
makes it.
any मतलब डांसर नहीं, एथलीट नहीं, अरे डांसर्स बहुत सांगମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି
Artists,
ଯେଉଁମାନେ କି
yeah,
ଇଣ୍ଟରନ୍ୟାସନାଲ
yeah,
ଫିଲ୍ମ ଡାନ୍ସର୍ସ
yeah.
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କେତେ ପ୍ରୋତ୍ସାହିତ କରୁଛି? କେବଳ ଗୋଟେ ଓଡ଼ିଶୀ ଛଉ କିମ୍ବା ଇଏ କରିଦେଲେ ତମର 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 ସଂସ୍କୃତି ଐତିହ୍ୟ ପରମ୍ପରାକୁ ତମେ କିଛି କରିଦେଇନ। ରଘୁରାଜପୁର ବାହାରେ ବି ଲୋକ ପଟ୍ଟଚିତ୍ର କରୁଛନ୍ତି, କଲିକତାରେ ବି ଲୋକ ବେଙ୍ଗଲୀ ପଟ୍ଟଚିତ୍ର କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ପଟ୍ଟଚିତ୍ର ବେଙ୍ଗଲୀ ପଟ୍ଟଚିତ୍ର କୋଉଠି ଆସିଲା?
Yes.
ସୁରତରେ ତିଆରି ହେଉଛି ପିପିଲି ଚାନ୍ଦୁଆ, ପିପିଲି ଯିବେ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ? ତମେ ତ ବାଇପାସଟେ କରିଦେଲ। ତମେ ଟୁରିଜିମ୍ କ'ଣ କହୁଛ, କାହିଁ କହୁଛ? ଯେତେବେଳେ ତମ ନିଜର ଅସ୍ତିତ୍ୱକୁ ତମେ ରଖିପାରୁନ, ତାହେଲେ ତମେ କେଉଁ ପହଚାନଟା ତମେ ଦେଉଛ? ତମେ କ'ଣ ନିଜର ଆମର ଓଡ଼ିଆର ପହଚାନଟା କ'ଣ? ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ। ତାହେଲେ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ହିଁ ରକ୍ଷା କରନ୍ତୁ। ଯେଉଁଟା ମୋତେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍, ଯେଉଁଠି ମୋତେ ରେକଗ୍ନିସନ୍, ମୁଁ ବିଗ୍ ବସ୍ ଯାଇଥିଲି, ବିଗ୍ ବସ୍ ଯାଇଥିଲି,
Right.
जो भी गवर्नमेंट था जी भी था तांकर से गवर्नमेंट रो मुखिया गोटे गोलाप फूल टिके देछि मते। छत्तीसगढ़ भाया गोटे स्टेट रे सेठ जने जदि नेशनल गोटे शो कला ना, ताको आग 10 लाख कैश प्राइज दियंती। मु आपन पैसा मागुनी, मु रेकग्निशन मागुची, मु आपन खाया पे भिक मागुनी कि पखाळ मागुनी। मु आपन कहूची आपन राज्यर गोटे ओडिया पिला गोटे जगह पहुंचीला, आपन कोनटा कर देले, तो मत ये कौन मिल न मिल मोर किसी आशा ही ना। एतिकी राग जे मु किए, अच्छा मु किछि करनी, मत करिया पे चांस टे दियो, मत पुश करिया पे तम तरफ गोटे गोटे प्रोत्साहन तो दियो। स्वदेशी पूज्यते राजा विद्वान सर्वत्र पूज्यते। जदि मो भगवान मो सांगे अछंती, जदि मो बुद्धि मोर कला मोर स्किल मोर पोटेंशियल जहाँ भी जदि मु मो सांगे अच्छी ना, मोर भरोसा निज उपर अच्छी, मु कोठी भी शाइन करी। एमती लोक सीट बदलुथिबे जाउथिबे, तमे जन्म होइछ तमे मरिब सेटा निश्चय, ता भितरे कौन कर्मटा कल तम कर्म तम आइडेंटिटी। आई विल क्रिएट माय आइडेंटिटी मोर बिगर।
What's next for Sabyasachi Satpathy? Projects.
Create,
Okay.
showcase,
Okay.
do things, put your weird imagination and ideas into design, do whatever. मोर तमे जानचो मो पाखरे बेसी रिसोर्सेस न थाए, मु सेतिकिर भी करे। एटी भल सिले वाला देखे दियो मिलिबेनी, बड बड स्किल इंडिया डेवलपमेंट सब चलछि, तो भल सिले वाला देखे दियो। एटी भल टिके जरी काम वाला देखे दियो, नाहंती। जरदोजी एम्ब्रॉयडरी काम देखे दियो, नाहंती। काहे कि एते कोटी कोटी टंका सारुच स्किल डेवलपमेंट रे। सो रिसोर्सेस जो मो पाखे न थाए, मु मो रिसोर्सेस रे करिवि, और सेइथरे भी मते लोक वाह वाह करचंती। सबु छाड़ी दे एज ए डिजाइनर, तते के तुमको जानतु न जानतु, तुम बैंक लोन पे गल,
Okay.
देयर इज नो कैटेगरी फॉर अ डिजाइनर। अगे टेलरिंग पे लक्ष टंका मिलिबो, डिजाइनर राज्य को पुश
Right.
करची, राज्यर
Right.
नाटा कोन करची, किछि नाही। So
They turn a complete blind. The complete blind eye.
you get them the collaterals, you get them this.
Yeah.
They don't see there is a potential, revenue generation to be done and given back. The money is given back.
Yeah.
So if we are so, so low in a category that we cannot do it, I'll rather do it where I'm getting praised, I'm getting sold. हाँ कि नहीं मत कहा।
Bilkul, I agree with you. And I do hope whatever the outcome of this podcast is, our viewers really take cognizance of this. Sabyasachi Satpathy, unhinged, unfiltered. This podcast was supposed to be like that, and it was exactly like that. Thank you so much, Sabyasachi, for being on
Thank
the
you.
Journey podcast.
Thank you so much. And while leaving, I'll say one line
Yeah.
for everyone who's watching this. Allo sakhi apna mata ape rakhi.